BIBFRAME profiles. It is worth noting that the high degree of flexibility and extensibility built into the model comes with a cost. The underspecification of the model, which is what lends it flexibility, means that there are no built-in mechanisms within the model or its RDF schemas that guide and constrain the generation of BIBFRAME data. Nevertheless, the initiative proposes the use of BIBFRAME profiles to address this issue. A BIBFRAME profile can be understood as a document, or set of documents, that puts a profile, for example local cataloging practices, into a broader context of functional requirements, domain models, guidelines on syntax and usage, and possibly data formats. In other words, a BIBFRAME profile serves as a kind template for the generation of BIBFRAME descriptions through the establishment of metadata structure and value constraints. BIBFRAME data can be validated against relevant profiles in order to ensure conformance to an established metadata structure. However, it should be noted that BIBFRAME profiles exist externally to the model and must be developed within the context of local needs and practices, likely within an application used by catalogers to capture bibliographic data. In other words, a BIBFRAME profile matches the metadata structures needed within a given context. As long as the overall structure of the data conforms to the BIBFRAME model, then that data should remain interoperable on the web. Thus, it appears that the initiative is attempting to balance the need for a flexible structure within the model itself and the need to contain that flexibility within a viable framework that can produce consistent and reliable data at the local level. The study compares locally created Dublin Core metadata scheme-based application profiles from a number of institutions and digital projects, N=8. The results of the study present the commonalities and variations of locally developed application profiles and shed light on the effects of resource type and subject domain on naming conventions. The experiences and lessons drawn from the implementation processes of locally developed metadata application profiles are invaluable in the sense that they offer insights and efficient mechanisms for metadata planning and reuse. Thus, the study may shed light on the development of BIBFRAME application profiles in local practice settings.